What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. What do you guys think about the market today? I think it was very volatile, a lot of swings, and very choppy as well. Nonetheless, we still managed to come out green today, a little over $90. And shout out to Kiwa as well, green today. So our plays were Apple and Facebook. Short, by the way, on these. So we had like a 40 on Apple. Let's pull up the positions. That's our free chat, guys, by the way. First link down below. Come and check us out. We had various positions here. I was playing the trend. Top, bottom until midday here when I was gone. And we started to downtrend. So let's move this really quick. For tomorrow, Tesla, even Netflix disappointed today. I did not expect Tesla to play out how it was today. Never. But as traders, you have to learn to play what's in front of you. So Apple, we could guess all day, but our predictions could be way off. This could tank under 115 easily tomorrow, or it could rally above 120. Who knows? We're going to play the momentum. So make sure you guys check out the free chat. I just send out my plays there, my thoughts. I think we continue an uptrend past 119. This is midday where we had that stimulus news come out. So that's going to very much dictate the rest of the week. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so I would probably keep your positions tight as well. Keep your stop losses still. Maybe half size your positions. Don't go all in. But we're going to see. But I think we come up above 119. If we come up above 119, we could blast off and probably hit the 122s. So based on the 4-hour as well, we had that minor downtrend, minor pullback under the EMA. It's still holding 115. So we could still cross up above EMA, maybe possibly form a little cup and handle here towards the 122. That's the optimistic side. Or we could come down under 115, and this is definitely going to be a dip by here in the 112s. So both ways you can play it. The chart's still looking very solid in my eyes. So like I said, just wait for that stimulus confirmation. As we near the elections, things will start to get a little bit more choppy. So keep in mind positions. Keep an eyes on those shares you're buying, and those stop losses as well. Facebook. This is what I want Apple to do tomorrow. Literally, on the 4-hour, I want it to just curl up above its previous resistance, which Facebook here at 268, and we're closing in here around. I think the high was like 276 after hours. So we played this one 200. So let's see if we pull up the trades right here. This was way before the stimulus talk. So as for tomorrow, I'd probably just wait for it to dip. If we don't see the 270s, I think we could hold the 270s here. If we don't hold past the 270s, let's go on the 4-hour. We can easily see a test to like above 280. And if we see above 280, the next level will probably be the 290s right here with that previous support here. So I think Facebook pulls back. Unlike Apple, I think we pull back on Facebook, and it'd probably be a good dip by around the 270s. But like I said, who knows? This could gap up even further pre-market, and we could see 280s easily. Which was my another one. Neo, this one pulled back 27. So like I said, like I've been saying, if we could pull back right under 27, it's still going to be a win. It still has a solid 4-hour uptrend. So anything under 27, it's still bullish on my watch. So you just got to wait to see where it's going to hold support. I don't think it holds 27 support. I may be wrong. I think we pull back and maybe see like mid 25s, low 26 level of support. AMD, I didn't see this one. I think we still can. I see downtrend. So I probably see some support on under 80. Beyond, I'm not touching until we get to 160s. I'm not touching this. Look at this descending triangle. I think in the last video I said this is already on the verge of coming down. Descending triangle, lower highs, still held that support, but now confirmation. So maybe next level of support is gonna be 172, but nonetheless, I'm still looking for under 170s. Which one's another one that I had on watch today? That was an Amazon. Netflix with the disappointment after hours. This is why I never trade earnings, guys. Never will hold anything overnight. I've got burned away when I first started trading. Yes, I'd rather just go to Vegas. I'd rather just go to the casino. You feel me? Like, It doesn't make any sense to me. So this is looking very appealing to me right now. This could possibly even be like a dead cat bounce. It could bounce probably above 500 easily. So make sure you watch that 500 level here. It can easily bounce. So as for the 4 hour, where was the previous support? Previous support, I guess you can say low 470s. So if there's a sell-off tomorrow in the morning, this is where I'd probably be catching the bounce. If not, I'd probably be catching the reversal here around 500 and just selling right away quick. And I'm not expecting it to come back to 540s, although it can over the course of the next week. So Facebook, I have SPY. I don't know what to say about SPY. I think we possibly can come down just off SOL technicals. It's coming off the highs of 354. Still has those lower highs. It's tested that support here at 342. It's still inching there. And if you see what I just formed right now, it looks exactly like the pattern on Beyond Meat stock descending triangle. That's pretty much what I can see. So if we come down to this previous support, previous resistance, turn previous support. So we had previous resistance, we had some support there. If we come down to like the 338s, 340s, possibly get in on there. But like I said, we're still waiting on a lot of things to be confirmed. And of course, last but not least, the stock. I did not expect this to happen. This is horrible. This is just a horrible chart. I had my alert here. I was at the gym, so I didn't want to make the same mistake. Where was it? It was like a 420 when it came under 420 right here. I wasn't gonna dip buy it. Probably would have been a profit if I would have held even just throughout the entire until market close. But I wasn't just willing to make the same mistake I did yesterday on Apple. So we did not expect this at all headed into earnings. But we've been talking about it in the chat. If this comes even to like $300, that's gonna be a definite buy, 100%. If it comes under to like $300, so right around like to this level. But we'll see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow on the 4 hour. Keep in mind, low, higher low. If it can at least hold the 411s, that's like the last resort. If it can at least hold that level, it can possibly bounce back up to like the 430s. So on the 4 hour, it's still looking very solid. And usually what I've noticed is it takes three times for a bounce to happen. So for confirmation, once, twice, and this is possibly the third one right now. So if it can bounce and reach back to the 450s, I'm definitely going to be interested. But like I said, tomorrow is after hours. It's everything. So we don't want to bust in Netflix. So that's pretty much it for me. Yeah, those were a very crazy day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys leave a like on the video, comment on your watch list, and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys in the chat. Take care.